How to add poll to caption on Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Go to your phone's app store, search for Instagram, and hit the update button if there's one available. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the plus sign at the bottom center of the screen. Pick the photo or video you want to post from your camera roll. Just tap on it to select it. Tap on Next. Tap on Next again. You'll see a section that says Write a caption or add a poll. Tap on that. Write whatever you want to say about your post. You can describe the photo or video, share your thoughts, or whatever comes to mind. Tap on Poll. Type in the question you want to ask your followers. It could be anything you're curious about or want their opinion on. Below the question, you'll see spaces to add options for your poll. When you're done with your question and options, tap OK to confirm. Hit the share button, and your post with the poll will go live. Now, your post will show up on your followers' feeds with the poll right there in the caption. They can tap to vote and interact with your post. And there you have it. That's how you add a poll to your Instagram post or reel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.